started, I'd just like to introduce all the parties, and I'm going to start with Milestone. We are a South African company, registered company, a joint venture. There are two partners in this venture, the first one being First Milestone Limited from the UK, and the other one is a local company, Accutech Business Solutions. They are also here locally in Midrand, Johannesburg. Level 1 BE accredited partner. We specialize in a number of services and products. So in terms of services, we provide consultancy for implementation, training, support. We are a Oracle University accredited partner giving Primavera training. We do a lot of technical support and implementations for the various products from Primavera, and in addition other complementary applications such as the one I'm going to show you today. We also do a lot of integration, and we also have the ability to provide hosting services should you require to root out that hardware and technical costs for the new implementation of Primavera. What I'd like to do today is just switch this around, and for the purpose of today, look at the products that we implement and focus on Primavera, and then show you how Legare fits into it, and why we opted to be a Collabro partner. So obviously we specialize in a number of Primavera and complementary applications. And for today, what I'm going to do is look at Primavera and see how it connects to items such as Collabro. So we put P6 EPPM in the middle, a project management application to manage projects of various sizes, scheduling and planning, cost management, etc., etc. Then you have BR Publisher, which is a reporting platform for your flat stack paper-based reports connected to P6, and in addition Primavera Analytics. Now Primavera Analytics, not P6 Analytics anymore in the latest version, for a decision-based reporting platform. Also connected to P6, and in addition Unify. Let's look at Unify now. So we also offer integrations through Primavera Gateway, which you can use to integrate Unify to P6. You don't have to. You can use web services, or you can use a native connection. We also provide contract management. For those who just want contract management into P6, your quantitative risk management. So P6 manages your qualitative risks. You can include Primavera risk analysis to do your Monte Carlo analysis connected to P6. E-member for contract updates, site updates. And then now looking at the non-Primavera applications, project tracker for tracking progress against projects and S-curves, etc. Audits to see who's doing what, where and when, what changed in your P6 environment. Innate hard dollar specifically for estimating. Provide your estimating process before you start the project and pass it on to P6. And then Deltic Acumen, sort of the policeman of schedules, to view the quality of schedules, see what can be done to speed it up. In addition, do a lot more risk management features. Now let's take it one level up. We also provide Oracle Primavera portfolio management tool, which can bring projects from P6 into portfolio management and manage your projects at a portfolio level. And additional alternative to that, you can look at it in Instantis. We're also doing some work with Instantis now, and for your IT process improvements, Six Sigma projects, etc. Looking at that whole map now, what I want to focus today on is the Legare. So as an alternative to Gateway, or just in essence, to oversimplify, how are we getting data into P6? And that's what we're going I'm going to show you in the demonstration today. So that's us in a nutshell, and the products we work with. And I'm going to hand it to the Legare team to let them introduce themselves and show you what the tool is all about. Thanks very much.
Good morning, everybody. This is the Legare team here. My name is Lakshmi Kampi. I'm the technical account manager for Legare. I've also got Greg Duncan here with me, who's our channel manager.
Yes, good morning. Oh, thank you for joining the session. Yeah, I'm Greg Duncan. I'm the channel manager, so I work quite closely with Charles and the team at Milestone in South Africa. You also see that Charles gave an overview of the Milestone UK element there. We also have a close relationship with that arm of the company. So yeah, we hope we can bring some value to this session as well. So what we'll do now is give you an overview of the few slides. Charles, if you wouldn't mind progressing to the next one to explain a little bit more on how Legare works. So here's a common hurdle that I'm sure many of you are already experiencing, is that you need a streamlined process to get clean data into Oracle Primavera P6 quickly and accurately. And I'm sure a few of you are also finding that typing data in manually is typically error-prone and not very reliable. Yeah, so we were recognized in last year's UK Oracle User Group Awards as being the Primavera Partner of the Year. We won the Gold Award, and this year we're up for the 2 awards, the Emerging Technology Product Award and the same award that you see here, the Primavera Partner of the Year Award. That award dinner is held in London in October. So no, we're delighted with it, and it's a sign of the uptake in the product and its growing reputation. So fingers crossed we keep the momentum going. So here are a few challenges in P6 planning. So I'm sure a number of you have different systems and data sources, which can result in the outdated transfer data being transferred being out of date, additional cost, and inefficient and fragmented business processes. Which ties in closely to the next one, which is you may have multiple subcontractors using different data sources, i.e. one using Excel spreadsheets, another using MSP files, and another contractor using XER files. That's one example of what might be happening. As I mentioned already, manual data entry, which often leads to inaccuracies, and obviously the time element, manually inputting the data. As already, just to reiterate, you've probably got a need internally to streamline your processes and stay on top of dates and avoid what can be costly overruns. Again, just this one just gives a quick overview of what else Legare can do. We can load risks from Primavera risk analysis or part master, depending on what naming you want to go by. So the next slide, just takes you through a brief overview of what Legare is. So it's a tool that has been developed by our in-house team of developers, which have over 30 to 40 years experience in using Primavera and integrations. So it's an innovative tool, which, as I've already mentioned, is proven to save companies time and effort, streamlining the process. As I mentioned, it improves data integrity. It's got a return on investment, a tangible one at that. And as Charles already shone some light on, there are alternatives on the market, but we going by our clients' feedback, Legare is quite different in a number of ways that we will underline. As I've already mentioned, it's just to reiterate the point, it's about increasing the efficient use of P6 within our client base. So here's a quick overview of one client example. Unity Water out in Queensland, Australia, were looking for an easy way of getting Excel data into P6 for the reasons that I've underlined already, just to save time and eliminate this error-prone manual entry. So the problem that they faced, or the solution that they were looking for, was one that would seamlessly import their data from Excel into P6. And I think this underlines the key benefits of Legare is that it's flexible and it can automate the process. So we achieved that in a mutually beneficial timescale for the client. So you'll see the bottom line there is that it's reduced the process. It was taking their team 16 hours down to just 1 hour, and it's been streamlined across 500 separate projects. And I know Charles underlined a number of complementary products that Milestone South Africa offer, and I think the reporting quality improves with the use of the likes of Legare. So that's a benefit that develops into these other applications for reporting and things like that. Here we see it's Heathrow Terminal 2 construction project. So this is one of the